Eat more food connoisseur. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant, the food, or the sweets that I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Alright, today we're going to this spot called Mart Pretzels, located in Cinnaminson, New Jersey. This was a recommendation from my homeboy, Frank. I ain't forget about you, homie. Just took me a little bit to get to the place you wanted me to go to. Alright, I'm about to go into the spot and grab some snacks up. And we're going to sit back in the car and we're going to talk about it. Alright, I just got back with the food. We're going to go in and see what these pretzels is all about. They got all different variety pretzels in there. It's like a smorgasbord. You got sweet pretzels. So what I got today was, I got it right here with me. I got a pork roll sandwich pretzel. I got a pizza pretzel, and I got an Italian sausage. So we're gonna see where each one of these is heading for. Nice and hot. All right, we're gonna go in for this one first. This is the Italian sausage. Check it out. Let y'all see it before I sink my teeth into it. You got several things going on. The saltiness from the pretzel goes well with the sausage. And they got Italian sausage on the inside like a pig in a blanket. You know, Italian sausage gives you a little hint of sweetness in it. So those three things blend well with each other. The sweetness, the saltiness, and just the overall taste of the pretzel. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 7.5. All right, let's go on for the other stuff. Excuse me. Belt, so you know it must be good. Check this one out. See, they got it made like a little sandwich. This is the Italian one. I mean the pizza one. See the I use American cheese and tomato sauce in it. This one is very, very hot. So Bear with me. We're gonna go for that first bite. Mm. 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 Very delicious. This one has pepperonis on it. It has American cheese on it. You know, we got the pizza sauce on it, and it got the salt on the pretzel, so it's going somewhere with it, definitely. Mm. This cheese is just melting in my mouth. Mm. Mm. It's golden hot, and I just want to eat this whole pretzel. Whoa. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Man, this is delicious. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh man, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 10 all day on the money. Mm. It's crispy. The salt goes well on it. This tomato sauce they got on it is like next level. Mm. Man, this is next level right here. This is like the best piece of pizza, but it's on a pretzel, that I had in a very long time. Mm, mm, mm. 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 I had a similar pretzel at the pretzel company. Y'all all know the pretzel company. This sandwich, even though it was cold and hot, it would still call me back for more bites and more bites. It's so hot, it got my glasses fogged up. So that's saying something. But I couldn't put it down. I had to keep biting it. All right, we're going to go for the next one. Mm. Man. All right. This is the pork roll sandwich. Genius, also, on the pretzel. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that. See that? All right, let's get that first bite. Oh. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Alright. I'm going to say it. I got to call it. Frank, my man. This was pure genius. This place, to me, is better than the pretzel company. I mean, you got to come down here and try it yourself, foodie fam. All right. You also have a choice there of getting the pretzel with salt or without salt. I got salt on it. But just letting you know, you also got options. They cranking out pretzels like they going out of style in there. There's wine in there. I mean, I'm totally flabbergasted. Like, this thing got me almost speechless. Man. And this place been in business since 1965. I live around this area and I never seen it before, this place before. I drive up and down 130 lots of times and never seen this place. But it's like over in the cut. To me, like it could be a family-owned establishment. But it was pure perfection. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10 for the pork roll pretzel, I get that's also a 10 all day on the money. I'm up here trying to figure out which one is better. And to me, they both on the same level. Man. All right, foodie fam, it's always a pleasure coming out, doing these reviews for you. I need you to please like my video, subscribe to my channel, share me out with everybody you know, click the notification button so you know when my videos are on. You can hit me up on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and the Gram. It's a beautiful day out here, a little chilly, but hey, every day is a good day when you get to see the sun or the moon. So it don't matter what the weather is. Just get out here, enjoy your day, and I'll be right back to you again with a review very soon. Tell your loved ones you love them. Eat more, food connoisseur. I'm out.